Welcome to Tech Dream Gear. Hello, tech enthusiasts and sustainable farming advocates. You've tuned into Tech Dream Gear, the channel where we explore the transformative power of technology across industries. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of smart irrigation technology. With global challenges like water scarcity and the need for sustainable agriculture, smart irrigation isn't just a trend, it's a necessity. Stick with us as we unravel the future of efficient farming and how cutting-edge irrigation systems are revolutionizing the agricultural landscape. Let's get started. The importance of smart irrigation in modern farming. Agriculture is one of the most water-intensive sectors globally, consuming nearly 70% of the world's freshwater supply. Traditional irrigation practices often result in water wastage, inconsistent crop yields, and environmental degradation. Enter smart irrigation technology, an innovative approach that ensures optimal water usage, improves crop health, and reduces operational costs. What is smart irrigation technology? Smart irrigation technology integrates advanced sensors, data analytics, and automated systems to deliver water precisely where and when it's needed. By monitoring factors like soil moisture, weather conditions, and crop requirements, these systems make farming more efficient and sustainable. Key components of smart irrigation technology. 1. Sensors and IoT devices. Sensors play a critical role in smart irrigation systems by collecting real-time data on soil moisture, temperature, and humidity. IoT devices enable seamless communication between sensors and control systems, ensuring timely water delivery. 2. Automated irrigation systems. Automation eliminates guesswork by adjusting irrigation schedules based on sensor data. These systems include drip irrigation, sprinkler systems, and subsurface irrigation, all controlled remotely. 3. Weather forecast integration. Smart systems use weather data to predict rainfall and temperature changes, optimizing water usage and preventing over-irrigation. 4. AI and machine learning. AI algorithms analyze collected data to offer insights and recommend adjustments, making irrigation smarter and more precise over time. 5. Mobile and cloud platforms. Farmers can monitor and control irrigation systems via mobile apps or cloud-based platforms, enabling remote access and real-time decision-making. Top smart irrigation technologies. 1. Netafim Precision Irrigation Systems. Overview. Netafim is a pioneer in drip irrigation technology, offering smart systems that adapt to diverse crops and terrains. Features: advanced soil and weather sensors, AI-driven water allocation ESI integration with existing setups. Impact: reduces water usage by up to 50%, increases crop yields, and minimizes environmental impact. 2. Hunter's HydroWise controllers. Overview. HydroWise controllers provide weather-based irrigation management for large-scale farms and landscapes. Features: Wi-Fi connectivity, real-time alerts, predictive watering adjustments. Impact: saves water by using localized weather forecasts to optimize irrigation schedules. 3. GiantLogic Smart Irrigation Platform. Overview. GiantLogic integrates field sensors, weather data, and crop modeling to deliver precise irrigation recommendations. Features: cloud-based analytics, crop-specific algorithms, compatibility with multiple irrigation systems. Impact: enhances water efficiency and boosts productivity for farmers of all scales. 4. Rainbird Smart Controllers. Overview. Rainbird offers intelligent controllers that cater to agricultural, residential, and commercial needs. Features: smart weather adjustments, user-friendly interface, Remote access via mobile apps. Impact. Provides consistent irrigation management, reducing water and energy costs. 5. Aquaspi soil moisture monitoring. Overview. Aquaspi soil probes monitor moisture levels at different depths, providing comprehensive insights for irrigation decisions. Features: multi-depth moisture readings, wireless data transmission, alerts for critical conditions. Impact. Prevents overwatering and optimizes root zone hydration. Advantages of smart irrigation technology. 1. Water conservation. Smart irrigation systems deliver water only where and when it's needed, reducing waste and conserving precious resources. 2. Enhanced crop health. Precision watering prevents over and under irrigation, ensuring crops receive optimal hydration for growth and productivity. 3. Cost efficiency. Automation reduces labor costs and operational inefficiencies, leading to higher profitability. 4. Environmental sustainability. Efficient water use minimizes runoff and soil erosion, promoting eco-friendly farming practices. 5. Scalability. These systems are adaptable to farms of all sizes, making them accessible for smallholders and large-scale agricultural enterprises alike. Challenges in implementing smart irrigation. 1. High initial costs. The installation of smart systems can be expensive, posing a barrier for small-scale farmers. 2. Technical knowledge requirements. Farmers need training to understand and manage advanced irrigation systems effectively. 3. Connectivity issues. Rural areas often lack reliable internet, which can limit the functionality of IoT-enabled devices. 4. Maintenance needs. Regular calibration and updates are necessary to keep the systems running efficiently. Future trends in smart irrigation technology. 1. AI-powered optimization. Advances in AI will enable smarter algorithms that predict crop water needs with unparalleled accuracy. 2. Renewable energy integration. Solar-powered irrigation systems will reduce dependency on traditional energy sources and lower operational costs. 3. Blockchain for water management. Blockchain will enhance transparency and accountability in water usage, promoting equitable distribution. 4. Full automation. Integration with robotic farming equipment will enable fully automated irrigation and crop management systems. 5. Affordable solutions for smallholders. Ongoing research and innovation will make smart irrigation technologies more affordable and accessible to small-scale farmers. Smart irrigation technology is transforming agriculture, addressing water scarcity, improving efficiency, and paving the way for sustainable farming. From advanced sensors to AI-driven platforms, these systems are the backbone of future farming practices. If you're inspired by the potential of these innovations, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Dream Gear for more insights into the technologies shaping our world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.